Do you have a furniture supply problem because of rising container prices and extended delivery times due to the pandemic? If so, have a look at the solutions Zett Decorations has for you. We are located in Turkey, a country with a very strategic location. Besides this advantage, reasonable shipping costs, fast delivery advantages, customer-oriented and flexible manufacturing capabilities are the strongest muscles of our brand. Since 2010, we have been creating both our own distinctive collection and your own designs. Furthermore, we give all of this service by exporting to 35 different countries. Doesn't matter which country you are in, we provide design, mock-up, and production services to hotel, residence, office, and restaurant projects. By the mock-up service, we simulate your space in our showroom and set up your projects or private label products inside, so you will be able to feel the living space and explore all of the details. Your time, your space, and your budget are safe in the hands of Zett.